Hey guys, it's beautyriotx, and today we are talking about my updated skincare routine. This is part one of two videos. The first one, this one being my morning skincare routine, and then the next one will be my evening skincare routine. And I usually do these updated videos like once or twice a year because I try a lot of different products, so, you know, eventually I end up switching things out. So without further ado, let's just get into it. All right, so the first thing I've changed in my beauty routine is my morning face wash, I guess you could say. I don't use a face wash anymore in the morning. All I do is rinse my face with water a few times, and I also use just this light exfoliating tune. It's called a konjac sponge. I think that's how you pronounce it. I'll write it on the screen. You can find these anywhere, Amazon, Marshalls, wherever. It's just a light exfoliating tool, kind of the same idea as a beauty blender. It starts off kind of hard, you wet it, and then it expands, turns soft, and then you kind of just clean your face with it while it's wet. So after doing that, I go right into my toner routine, and this is the Essence Toner by Pyongyang. This is a Korean beauty product. A toner kind of prepares your skin for the rest of the stuff you put on it. It helps all your other products absorb a little bit better. So this one I love. You can use this either as a toner, essence, or both. My next product that I actually do use as an essence is the BLITHE Vital Treatment 5 Energy Roots for Multi-Activating and Hydrating. This is a pricier product, and I like it. It does what it's supposed to do. It hydrates and it gives extra moisture. During the winter and the drier months, I tend to use a few layers of this to give myself extra hydration. I'm probably gonna try something new after I'm done with this bottle though. For the price, like I feel like I might be able to find something just as good that's cheaper. All right, the next thing I'm gonna go into is serum. And this is the Organix Hemp Valley Face Serum. This has hemp oil in it, which hemp oil has good antibacterial properties, anti-redness, it's moisturizing, it's really light, it's like almost like a gel kind of feeling. I actually got this at Marshalls and I've been using it for a few weeks and I love it. The next thing we're gonna go into is eye cream, and this is what I've been loving recently. This is the Acure Radically Rejuvenating Eye Cream. It has chlorella and edelweiss extract in it. I got this from Marshalls as well. Usually Whole Foods sells this, and Acure is a pretty, not crazy pricey. It's not like Sephora luxury brand pricey, but I mean, it's kind of up there. But I feel like if you're gonna invest in anything, invest in skincare because you only get one skin. You only get one face. All right. The next thing I'm gonna go into is my moisturizer, and this is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. This is also a light kind of hydrating gel-based moisturizer. It's kind of geared towards oily skin, especially it being summer. I tend to layer more products in the summer, so this is a light alternative to a heavy moisturizer because I have more things that I'm gonna put on after this. And this smells so fucking good, I can't even take it. It smells like a watermelon Jolly Rancher, just not as like sickly sweet smelling. All right, the next is SPF, and I have two products that I use. I'll use one or the other. Most days I'll use the COSRX Aloe Soothing Sun Cream with SPF 50+. This has the most amazing, beautiful texture I've ever felt in a sunscreen. It almost has like, you know that kind of slip that silicone primers have? It has that kind of slip, but it's not silicone, like greasy, oily feeling. That's what I hate about silicone primers. I just feel like they're just heavy and kind of gross feeling on me. This is like a moisturizer with that nice kind of slip to it. It's beautiful. Or if I don't use that and I want to have more like, I don't want to wear makeup, but I want some kind of coverage, some kind of light coverage, I'll use the Andalou Naturals BB Beauty Balm. With vitamin C, it's a sheer tint, and it has SPF 30 in it. It's lightweight, it's comfortable, and it has the SPF that I want. Regardless, if I go outside or not, I always use SPF. So this is a nice product to use to kind of even out your skin tone without putting on a ton of makeup, if that makes sense. I love this. I also found this at Marshalls, and it was like $7 or something like that. Also like a higher end brand, good ingredients. It's like that skincare makeup-y kind of thing. Okay, and that was it for my morning updated skincare routine. If you have any questions, if you want to share some stuff that you use yourself, make sure you leave in the comment box below. Oh, that was it. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for part 2, which is the nighttime routine. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.